Hi, listeners. Welcome to your daily cup of coffee with Charu, where hopefully, with a hot cup of coffee, we discuss how to tackle the day ahead of us based on the astrological aspects of the day. Whether you're listening to me during your day or evening, we're trying to make sense of our everyday experience and make each day count. My name is Charu, and I'm your host on this journey. So let's dig in. Ladies and gentlemen, get your creative juices flowing because we got Moon in Leo. I love it when Moon is in Leo. That's also because I'm a fire sign, but in general, when Moon is in Leo, that is an uplifting experience in itself because all that's unique about us has got to shine out today. But Saturn now, being in Aquarius, opposes the Moon in Leo. So it creates a bit of control and self discipline on our creativity as it comes in. Sometimes there would be some inhibitions in expressing yourself because it's trying to create the right platform to have your creativity become more productive in some ways. So you'll find yourself doing things which are very creative but with a self discipline imposed on it. It will try to put a lid on this bonfire of energy that Leo is so it does not become an all night rave but more of an everlasting flame that brightens people's heart chakra. It is trying to create value out of your creative ideas. It's the day to give your creative flair a workout as Saturn tries to yet again, along with Uranus, put a structure to our wild desires. All that's grand within should be given a good platform of expression. If charm was available on a beer tap, we all would get ourselves a glass of that Leo dose. This is charm unlimited, but the charm used in the right way could get you where you need to go and to give you a platform to express that charm in a productive fashion. And Saturn is going to try to direct that charm towards a productive outcome. Well, we all got to ravel a bit in its shine today by loving freely, releasing a bit of child within, and doing something just for the sake of it, creating a part of us that is going to outlive us. That's the objective of the Leo moon. Getting a bit more bolder in our endeavors, a bit more shinier in our relationship because all that's heart is Leo. So today is the day to let your heart shine, but it will come with a little bit of control, a little bit of structure. Saturn Uranus square in 2021 is trying to create a structure to our wild ideas, and you'll find that being exhibited today and tomorrow when it's making an aspect with the moon in Leo. If you have not looked at the 2021 full year videos, take a look at it or just revise it a little bit to see where Saturn square Uranus is trying to create brilliance for you this year. Step out of your comfort zone a little bit. Don't try to rationalize your fears today. They will creep up, and they should, because there is some value in trying to create a little bit of step back to be sure that you're going all guns blazing in the right direction. But do it afraid, as they say. It will get easier. Spotlight will get a little bit friendlier once you speak the right words to yourself. There is a need to create your own basis of love for yourself that will make this creativity flow a little bit easier outside. Love will become a little bit brighter when we love who we are within. Children will become a bit more peppier when we get peppier with them. Creative projects will become more easier to flow when we ease up on ourselves and our self criticism and let the idea flow. Take a chance on you. Who else would or should? It's a little bit lonely at the top. And when Leo Moon is there, we are trying to get at the top. We're trying to ace something. It's something we want to create where we are unique. We are number one in that. And it's sometimes okay to feel unsupported in that journey, as that's when we give our own internal support system a workout. And you'll find yourself doing that today with Moon opposite Saturn. You'll find the tools that would work for you within yourself when no one in your surrounding might seem like working for us. It can feel a little bit lonely and unsupported, but there's a purpose to that. The purpose is to give our internal support system a workout. Uranus is at the apex of the fixed T square that is being briefly formed today, and like a snip snap, it will cut us progressively from a conventional expectation of someone should take care of me. This is something which unknowingly sometimes we have in an area of our life where Taurus is. Uranus in Taurus is cutting us off from that conventional expectation. Do we ever hear the sun complain that I give when I give when I give? Because sun isn't really giving. It's just being himself. It's shining as it must, as that is his destiny and purpose. Hiding his own shine just because people receiving him are ungrateful or not applauding its existence every minute would take him away from his own purpose. And well, in the process of that, his own light would be dimmed. Similarly, for us, we need to shine just because we came here and that is our destiny and purpose. We didn't come here to fit in. We came here to give physical form to our every seemingly irrational dream and desire. We came here to create, not follow. Sports, theater, entertainment, social media, arts, music, dance, gambling, unconventional businesses, politicians and royalties outside and within us, they get a boost today. The self starter in us, the entrepreneur in us, the leader, the king, the queen in us, the entertainer, the creative, the magnanimous, the brave within us, the risk taker in us all, the perennial gambler of life wants to take a chance on itself. So give it a solid ground, give it a solid expression, a chance to speak, a chance to create, a chance to make its appearance. Saturn checks our conviction in our own passions. How emotionally invested are we in what we love? And Uranus frees us from ourselves, our own boundaries that block us from claiming what's ours. Yes, that smile is yours. That giggle without a care that costs nothing is yours. Running in the grass or prancing on the personal runway like a fiendish firewall, that are all yours. Every talented bits of you that you said no to cause they didn't seem good enough are yours. Every music that your life makes, no matter who's here to listen or not, is yours. And it's your unique contribution to the world. If every great creator who wasn't great at the start, well, almost no one is, if each one of them blocked their potential because it did not feel enough, we wouldn't have so many talented contributions to enjoy. Every time you say no to your flow of life, you disrespect the God or the higher power who has given the gifts that you were born with. Or the fact that you and I are just lucky to be incarnated in the first place itself. You are a creation that is meant to be reveled in, enjoyed fully, loved to bits, and changed the world with its own unique voice. Wear your crown today. Take a seat on the head of the table and say boldly to anybody and anyone who can hear, I create. Hope you have a great day ahead and make sure to create something unique and bold that you want to contribute that would outlive you. And if Mercury Mars square is blocking you somewhere, take an action. Whenever our mind is in some way stuck either emotionally or through procrastination, our physical action when Mars is in Gemini, it helps us get out of those deep waters. Just taking an active step towards what you want to create removes that overthinking that might be blocking you right now. So take a step and take a bold one ahead. Have a great day ahead, and I'll see you tomorrow again. Thank you.